Hi friends, in this session we will going to see the CRD data analysis for equal number of replication, or you can call it observation, or you can call it plots. So uh, this design covers 2 replications and 21 treatments. Okay, let's see the character name. Okay, for the analysis we can consider the character name. You just consider here the character name like plant weight. You should have to give the unit in gram. Okay, so you can write here the character name, whatever character, or you can call it parameter. Okay, both are same. So in this table you can see here the treatments, and with respect of the treatments you will get the replications. You can call it the observations, or you can call it just a plot. We can consider here the 21 treatments, so that in this Excel sheet you will get everything which is needed for your research or your thesis. So what you need to do here, you just give the input of your data, whatever data you obtained from lab research or any polyhouse research, because this is the CRD design, or any controlled environment or data obtained from the crop. So you can put here manually if you want, or otherwise I will give you the how to put the data from this type of data you will obtain from your research, and then you need to just copy paste data in these cells. Okay, so you can see here, if you want to put manually, then you can just put manually like 54 or 440, like this. Whatever values you want to put, you can able to put here. Okay, so this is the manual giving input of your data. So you can see this is the fully automatic design. You can see here the reflection of data. Whatever changes you do in this table, then that changes will be reflected in the remaining tables. Okay, you can see here the in anova table you will get also the reflection of that particular data. So we can copy paste our research data and just select the first cell, then right click, and then you can see here the paste options. Below that you will get the values. Okay, you need to select the values, just click on it. Okay, you'll get all your data over here for the 21 treatments and 2 replications. So this is fully automatic design, so you will get everything which is needed for your thesis. So I will explain what you will get from this Excel sheet. If you want this type of Excel sheet, then we will sell this type of Excel sheet for the student who need. You just go to the description box of this video and you will get the my WhatsApp number, and just message me. Otherwise, if you have any query regarding this, you just ask me in the comment box, then definitely I'll going to answer. Okay, let's see what you will get from this Excel sheet. You will get here the treatment total. You can see here the treatment total you will get for the total 21 treatments. After that you will get the mean value. Okay, you can simply call it average value. Below that you can see here you will get the grand total value, that is we call it GT value. Okay, this is CRD design, so that we don't consider the replications over here. If you need to mention this data, then you can mention it, or otherwise leave it. Okay, as it is, no worries. Below that, very important table, you can see here the ANOVA table, that is analysis of variance table. You can see here the source of variation in first column. This is CRD design, so that we consider the treatment as a source of variation. then we consider error, and then here is a total. These are the source of variations. Then you can see here the degrees of freedom. For treatments t minus 1, for error n minus t, for total n minus 1. You can see here the 21 treatments are here. So for treatments, degrees of freedom 20. You can see here the you will get sum of square. This is the calculation part. You can see here the formula how to calculate the sum of square. Okay, so here in ANOVA table we need to calculate the mean sum of square. For mean sum of square divided by degrees of freedom is equal to mean sum of square. You can calculate for the error as well. Then you will get the F calculated value, F table value, then significance for 1% and 5%. Both you will get from this design. Below that you can see you will get the correction factor. You need this correction factor to calculate the sum of square value. Okay. Then you will get the CV value. Okay. You can see here the CV value. It's a too high. Okay. So here it's less than 5% for lab and control environment condition research. Okay, and if there is a field research, then CV should be greater than 5 and less than 20 or less than equal to 20%. Keep in mind this CV value always in percent. Okay, then you will get the standard error mean, standard error difference. If you can keep in mind one thing, if your treatments are non-significant, you can see here the non-significant. If they are significant, then you will get the SIG, that is significant. If your treatments are non-significant, then don't calculate CD value. Okay, you can just put in final table of your thesis NA. Okay, or if your treatments are non-significant, then don't go for the post hoc analysis. Okay, post hoc analysis, don't go for the post hoc analysis. Why? Because if your treatments are non-significant, that means all the your treatments, means whatever you have total 21 treatments, all the treatments having equal or same effect. So you don't need to go for the post hoc analysis. Okay, then next table you will get the CD value at 5%, CD value at 1%. Okay, and this is the final thesis table. You will get the treatment mean or treatment average, then standard error plus minus, then CD value at 5%. If you want any other information or you need to add here, you can just take from this table or this table. Okay, so if you want here probability values, then definitely ask me, because we made this type of Excel sheet for the customized research. So if you want anything additional, then definitely ask me, I will add that. And if you want to buy this Excel sheet, then definitely go to our description box, then you will get my WhatsApp number link, then definitely contact me. Okay, below that you will get the graphical data representation. Okay, just you can put here the character name. What character name we choose for this research? That is plant weight in gram. Okay, you can see here the character name plant weight in gram, or just you can call it plant weight. For axis title, you can just give here the treatments. Okay, treatments, and you can put here the plant weight in gram. Okay, you can put like this axis title. This is totally editable. You can just click on it and you can just select and type like this plant. Okay, like this you can type here, and this is fully automatic design. And one benefit of this design, you can able to modify anything real time. Okay, for example, you can see here the 300 value. I want to make it 200. Okay, you can able to make it. Just change the value and hit the enter. Okay, you can see the all changes in all places. This is the real time data analysis. Okay, if you want this type of Excel sheet, then definitely contact me. This is paid Excel sheet. Please remember, this is paid Excel sheet. If you want, then definitely contact me. My WhatsApp number you'll get in description box of this video. Or if any issues regarding your research, then definitely ask me. Definitely I will guide you how to do the research and what queries you have. Then definitely I will resolve that queries as well. Thank you so much for watching.